It's late October and we're driving in Austria. We're on break from school, so we're headed to Sölden in the mountains. Game 2 is the opening Giant Slalom ski race of the season. And Dad was on a mission. He had to get us up to the glacier. As we started climbing the mountain, we saw snow, and then more snow, and then like full-on blizzard snow. And somehow, we were the only ones there. In just 2 days, skiers are gonna fly down this hill at almost 50 miles an hour. Just yesterday, we were on a ferry in Greece, and now we are buried in snow at 8,000 feet. From islands to ice, all in 24 hours.